Hi there, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I have people ask me all the time, hey, how big of a mess is this gonna make in the house? Are you gonna do any damage to my house? Let me show you what we do for the installs for getting to and from your closets. So the last thing we wanna do is do any damage to your home. Today's a wet and rainy day, so the first thing we've got at the front doorstep is we've got a mat that we can wipe our feet off on. And then we put down carpet runners from the front door all the way over to the project we're working on. Even up the stairs, we do an anti-slip backing on them. And we're gonna go all the way to the project in your house. We're not gonna walk on your floor. There we go. Around the corner, Matt's pulled them up. We're cleaning our way out right now. And we're coming in, we're sweeping up, wiping down, and making things beautiful. The answer to the question is, are we gonna make a mess? No, we're not. We're gonna leave it better than we found it.